Fahim Al Hamid sahab, can you hear me?
Yes, brother Adil, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Thank you very much for joining us. On his ongoing visit, Pakistan, the first big news that has come out is that Sheikh Khalid bin Abdul Aziz Al Faleh confirmed that Gulf State Manara Minerals especially will invest $1 billion into reko mining project in Balochistan. How do you see these developments?
First of all, Adil brother, मैं आपको मुबारकबादी देता हूँ for joining poll.
Thank you so much.
In fact,
I know you can speak Urdu, but I will not push you to speak Urdu because keeping few things in the mind, it's up to you if you wanna talk in Urdu. I'll be so happy to talk to you in Urdu.
Well,
आपकी बहुत नवाज़िश, शुक्रिया.
Speaking in Urdu, it's my privilege, but as you know, speaking in Urdu and intellectual Urdu needs a lot of, a vocabulary which I am missing. Isliye, I am sorry, I cannot proceed with such lovely Urdu which you are speaking.
Yeah, as you feel comfortable, please go ahead.
Brother Adil, when we speak about a very high-profile visit with such a big businessman and entourage of different, business industry, we are speaking about enhancing the Saudi-backed investment strategic partnership, which is, time-tested. And today, Saudi Arabia has proved that, Pakistan is our strategic partner, and we should move forward towards exploring, enhancing, and going for an execution for such a big project as you mentioned. Pakistan has a lot of, resources, a lot of energy, a lot of windows of opportunity. I assume that with such high-profile visit, Brother Adil, बहुत बेहतरीन opportunity is available, and you can see the outcome of this three visits, which will be resulted in huge investment opportunity, which will enhance this strategic relation.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I agree with you. If may I ask, Saudi in the past played key role in helping Pakistan get out of FATF grey list, and current rollovers and commitments were key to accessing the IMF's EFF bailout package. How do you see this bilateral relationship?
Well, Saudi Arabia is very much keen that, Pakistan should be a stable country. So stability, Brother Amir, ka matlab is more security, more investment. With the current system, stability in Pakistan, I can see huge opportunity is emerging with both leadership, determination, and willingness to move forward this relationship to another mileage where both countries can benefit of each other resources and move on for the prosperity and stability and the well-being of its nation.
You're absolutely spot on.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।